This is Shaded Trail, another 12-inch block. Here's the block and the diagram. There are only two different patches here, the half square triangle and the square, and they both finish at 2 inches. Your half square or triangle alternative is to use the 8 at a time method, and this tells you what size to cut the squares to make 8 at a time and then trim them down. For the cutting, we're going to cut 4 patches that are squares, and these will go in the corners, and then everything else will be cut half square triangles. And so for the squares and for the triangles, you have an AccuQuilt die. These are both found in the 8-inch cube if you have that. We're simply going to sew half square triangles and then use the diagram to put the block together. Here are the pieces. Here are the square pieces, and we're going to make 3 different half square triangles. At the bottom of these instructions, it tells you you need to make 12 of these, the light and the background, 12 of the dark and the background, and 8 of the light and the dark. And here are the stacks here. I'm just going to follow the diagram now, and as I do put the block together, I'm going to put it on my prop-it board. Once everything is laid out, be sure you check and double check the placement of your block. And one thing I've noticed through making these videos is when I look at this block or any block on the table here, then I look up at the camera, it looks so much clearer in where the placement is and the fabric. So put your block up down and take a picture of it with your camera or your phone, and you'll see how it really looks. Now let's piece it together.